tell you in a minute the prices and which one are available right now. So this is once again by Pulte Homes in Broward County. This is Plantation. You're gonna love this community because I'm gonna show you everything that Plantation have to offer. Discover Plantation with me, your host, Rosemary Den, with EXP Realty. Today we are going to discover the new development community by Pulte Homes, located in Midtown Square in Plantation, Florida. I'm going to give you a tour of this community, and also I'm going to show you one of the finished model. In this video we are going to cover pricing, warranty, and amenities that Emory community offer. Also, for those that live outside the state of Florida, I'm going to show you the distance between one city to another. Finally, we are going to cover all the major attractions, shopping center, restaurants nearby Emery community. Thinking to move to South Florida, want to invest in the Sunshine State, and want to learn more about Plantation and any other cities in Broward County, then this video is for you. Plantation is located in Broward County, Florida, and is one of the West inner community in Florida. It is 9 miles or 20 minutes from Las Olas and Florida, and it's 11 miles or 10 minutes from Florida Airport. This community is just 5 minutes from 595 that connect to I-95 in the Turnpike, and it's also 15 minutes from I-75. The community has 86 townhouses with modern exterior architect and open living space. To relax and enjoy the Florida living right outside of your backyard. Emory community, you and your family don't need to go anywhere because you have so many activities, to list a few: swimming pool, outdoor recreation, dog park, BBQ Grill, and fire pit. This model is running from $600,000 to the $730,000. This model offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and is 1,657 square footage with 1 car garage. This community is a great opportunity to invest in this area. Located just walking distance from Sheraton Suite Hotel, Plantation Walk, restaurant shopping area, contain 11,540 square feet of restaurants and 10,000 square feet of retail space. Overall projected to increase the value of this community. To learn more about this community or to tour one of the models, give me a call today. If you wanted to see the larger model with the 2-car garage, I put a link below so you can see the distance for a video that I draw from this community to Plantation Walk, where you see all the restaurants and shopping area and everything that is coming in that area. That is like literally minutes. If you found this video provide you valuable content, click the bell icon, hit the notification so you don't miss future video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.